Hello guys, welcome to Jamie Tech. In today's video, I will show you how to delete a specific item in an array using C++ language. Thank you. Let's start it. First of all, we have to initialize the size, and here I want to print a message, right? Come on, enter size of array. So let's not make it a bigger one. C in greater, we say there simply. Here we give just we have declared a size, and here I would like to initialize array, and here the size is this one. Here I would like to run a loop to give value to runtime for int I equal to 0, I less than size I plus plus. Here we go. Oh, now we need to give the value through in C in array size, sorry, array I. Here we have given the values, and here I would like to initialize. I mean, you want to delete a specific item, so you have to enter that item. Item. I would like to say that enter item to the enter item or number. We can say item or number to delete. I mean to delete. That's all. Okay. Here we have to give the value to item. Here now we have to, so I want to delete the specific. First of all, we have to look for the specific item. So here we go, we have to run a loop from I equal to 0, I less than size I plus plus, from 0 to size, because we need to access every element. Here we make a condition: if date array element and the item matched, then do something for us. Array I equal to item, then do something for us. Here we want to delete that item, right? Here I say that if date array element and item is matched, then delete. Now we have to run a loop from int, I say that in j equal to I, because we delete that item which is made an I. Okay, and we don't have anything to do with the zero element or zero index or something else. We have to do something with the element with the index which is in I. So we say that j equal to 0, j equal to I. Okay, and I say that the j would be less than size minus 1. Here I say, and j plus plus. And here I would like to delete that item. How to delete? We say that array, array j equal to array j equal to array, we assign j plus 1 to it. That's all. Now we have to make a counter. Right here I would like to say that count equal to 0, or we can say that flag. Okay, I can say that flag equal to 0, and here I say that the flag equal to 1, and I say that break and totally come out of this loop or if statement. So we say that here, if flag equal to 0, then do nothing. See, or less than not found that specific item, in the array, we say that simply. And so if matched, then do something else for us. So here I would like to please do these things. Now we have to run a loop to print the new array after deletion. For in I equal to 0, I less than, we say again that I less than size minus 1. because of the deletion I plus plus. Here we go. We now print the arrays element, the array element after deletion. Here we go. I less than we simply space a simple message that here see or less than it will say that enter element element the array into the array. Okay, this message will be printed. Okay, now let's try. Here it is. Here it is. So here I would like to enter the size. Here I would like to enter the element 91, 22, 33, and 41. Here I would like to delete 33. Here, look, this is the proved 91, 22, and 41. We have deleted the it works well. Thank you for watching my video, and never forget to subscribe to Jamie Tech. And thank you so much. Just keep supporting Jamie Tech.